YouTube, what's good? Your boy Easy. Oh, I got a special guest in the building.
We here, man.
If y'all don't know, y'all should know by now, but this is Josh. But this is my business partner.
We out here shooting.
But like, I wanted to get on here and tell y'all, I know a lot of y'all young, y'all wanna know how to get money, this, that, and the third. I started at the age of 18 doing like just a bunch of different stuff. Now, yeah, so I've really been getting money like for real since I was like 18. And y'all can tell, like, if y'all see my Instagram, y'all see where I be going, what I be doing, how I be dressing. Like, I see it on the channel. I see it on the channel.
Can't miss it.
I see it on the channel. But it's like, when it comes to like trying to get money or what you want to do, I know a lot of y'all be trying to do the Quan ATL glitch. It's not really a real thing. But like,
it's only real in those
It's
areas.
not real. Like, he's hard working for his money. Everything he's doing is hard working. Like,
we down in Jersey, so it's really not. It's not possible over here.
Like, you can't shortcut anything that you want to do. It's that and the third. But how to start a profitable business? It really starts off with taking a risk. Like, I have 3 profitable businesses. 3. I want to go over one. I might go over all of them in a different video. Just let me know. I'm going to just give y'all something very broad for the first go around. We talk about it, and then y'all let me know when we go on. But it really starts with taking the risk. You have to take the risk. If you have an idea, research it, plan it, try to figure it out. Figure out a way to figure out how to make money. I know people who make clothes. I don't make clothes. I might in the future. You never know. But my main business right now we're in the season of
proms,
graduation. So I'm a photographer. I take videos, this, that, and the third. It brings in enough money for me to live how I am, this, that, and the third. So, like I said, take the risk. You have to take the risk. Once you take the risk, anything is possible.
We started this real young. Like, we was probably in middle school. We started using the camera, started going outside, taking pictures of school, just like, light work. But like, it really developed over time. We got to college. We was like, okay, we see the vision. Surrounded by college students, you got opportunities all around you.
Gotta
not
take
put
them.
it to waste. Like, we invested in the business, bought cameras, $2,000-$3,000. Like this setup right here, $3,000.
It's like
Easy spent $6,000-$7,000 probably on
everything,
on his
just to get the YouTube right too.
Lenses, monitors,
everything.
He got all types of streaming
Taking
equipment.
the risk. I never know if I'm gonna make money off of
like
that.
That investment, we probably might not even see it back for a little minute.
And it's like, I know y'all want to know like how much money like we're making. Like, I'm not gonna get up here and give like an amount or a price, but like I'm gonna just move a little bit. Like, y'all see the red seats, like y'all see where we in. So it's kind of like y'all see it off that.
We made our camera money back and more. Like, that's where we hit.
So
like, we just trying to keep going up though. Like, you gotta expand your business as much as you can.
Definitely take the risk. This is just homie to homie talking. Definitely take the risk.
Yep.
Also, just put yourself out there. Make an Instagram page, make a TikTok page, make a this page, make a whatever. Use what you have to you. Tell your friends to follow, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. Just do it. Put it out there. That's just the best advice I can give you when it comes to that. Just put yourself out there. Because as long as you try, you can never fail. Like, we tried, we got to this point. Last year's season, we weren't in areas like this. Like, it's a mansion to my right now, it's a mansion to my left, it's a mansion behind me, it's a mansion in front of me. Like, these are the things that I want to acquire. I'm working around them, taking pictures, doing that, this, that, and the third. It's just like, you got to do it. So, we started at the age of 18 last year.
Yep.
No, not even last year.
Started
at the age of 18, whenever that was. Business was slow, but you take your time. You learn, you grow, then you figure out a plan to make money. How you're gonna save your money, this, that, and the third, in order to make your business profitable.
Yep. Really got to link up with the right people, learn from the right people. You just they start helping you out. Like, initially, it's hard to get bookings as a smaller business.
Yeah.
So initially, we was just taking overflow from other people.
Yeah, we were taking overflow, a lot of overflow. Like, they would be double booked, and we would take it.
Nice little crowd. We got our bookings up. We were able to afford the new equipment off those bookings, and then from there we just built our own audience.
Yeah. And like I said, me personally, I have 3 different businesses, but today I'm gonna focus on the photography business. I might bring y'all with me. We have a shoot today, so I'm gonna show y'all how it works. And I also do events with my friends. I'm bringing a lot of money that way. And then my third one soon, hopefully soon, I'll be monetized on YouTube.
We got that in the works.
Me and him actually will have another business soon, so that'll make it 4. But my third one will be my YouTube. Hopefully, when I get monetized, that 4th one
is gonna be a glitch.
That's the real money glitch.
That's the real money.
Hopefully, my YouTube gets monetized soon, so I can take it to the next level. But
YouTube is only the beginning too.
Only the beginning, bro.
Streaming.
Oh yeah. See, I want to do everything because it's like I'm not scared to take the risk.
Can't wait.
Like, I'm living proof that if you take the risk, anything is possible. So Literally since 18, I've had a profitable business. I've been doing good for myself. Haven't had to work a regular
We've been
job
out
for
here
real.
shooting Rutgers basketball games,
Everything.
football games. We've been
College hoops,
like,
whatever,
you feel me?
friends,
We've
family.
been getting passes for stuff that only professionals get passes
Like,
for. Like,
haven't even been able to you know, I haven't had to have worked like a real job. We never really had to do
we're
that.
just chilling.
Just I make my own schedule. The days are mine, all because I want to take the risk. Everybody knows how important a business is. You just gotta really make sure you focus. Like for this business, it really was just us. We were good at something. We learned a skill. We got better at the skill. It's a competitive market. Everybody does this. We're not the only people.
Everybody got a phone on them
just a
too.
method
Like,
it's just a method that we're doing that's allowing us to be here. Forget the ATL method. Just invest in yourself method. That's what I want to call it.
You really got to find something
That's what
you're
I want
really
to call
good
it.
at.
Invest in yourself.
Like.
Whatever you're good at, there's a way to make money off of anything. You can sell balloons, sell flowers. You can do whatever.
Nah, if you crazy, you crazy. People gonna invest.
Like whatever you're good at, just do it. Some people do hair. Like whatever you want to do, you just got to make sure you do it quality. Make sure you're good at customer service. You treat everybody who's buying with care. Everything.
Don't be afraid to go outside of your comfort zone. Like maybe you don't want to go to this like for us it's like shoots everywhere. We don't want to go we don't want to drive 2 hours, but
it's like
sometimes you want to do that just to make that connection.
Just to make that connection, make that money.
5 more bookings in New Jersey, like right where we at. So like you never know, you might as well just take the booking, do what you got to do. And our client just texted us.
Customer hitting us right now.
Oh.
Customer hitting us right now.
Customer just hit us. We might have to install a little
I'll never lie. Like this is really real.
It's real life.
I just wanted to tell y'all that like
your time costs money, so like make sure you
building.
just value it.
Just make sure you're building. So
or just start. Like you really just gotta start.
Take the risk, make the connections, opportunity, invest in yourself. And when I say invest in yourself, I don't mean go and spend thousands of dollars like how we did on yourself. No, start with something small. See what you can get away with. Make 25 here, 50 there. Stack and build it. If you're working a regular job, use that money. Save some of it to put towards like what you want to do with your business.
Yep.
I know friends with a clothing brand, like they're gonna get up there soon. They're taking their time, quality pieces. You don't ever want to rush the process. I promise you,
It's
you
another
don't.
thing too.
Because when you take your time, it's all worth it.
If you surround yourself with people who are starting businesses, like we have, like our friends who started clothing brands. Like some of them are here doing their own little thing with the hair, nails, whatever. Like some people models we know. Like you just reach out to them as an opportunity to grow. You don't even look for payment. Like a lot of it's networking. Marketing.
Like you're gonna do a lot of stuff for free. Give some stuff away for
work
free.
with them, like, and then you don't know how big their business is gonna get. All right, we want to hire you permanently. We want to make you a part of our team. Boom, that's fixed income every year, every month, every day.
And then I will say, we made some good points, but I'm all about showing and less talking. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me for this shoot so y'all can see
a little behind the scenes
of how things go, how we do things, and just how things look overall when it comes to like, this is how I'm making money, this is a good way to make money, and it's working. And let me just turn the camera, like this is real. Let me see.
We outside, man.
This is real.
Like, you feel me?
This is real.
Tinted windows.
This is real. We about to go shoot this right here. Like, come on.
We getting it right. We get everybody right.
We get everybody right.
We shot how many grad shoots this week? Like you see it on the camera.
We're booked and busy.
I don't even know if you could see this. Like,
let's see.
We on the camera. Like we shooting grad shoots. We shooting everything. Every day.
Like we're booked and busy. We're booked and busy. So
thousands of edits.
I'm about to bring y'all with me. Y'all about to see how all of this goes, to show you that it's just, I would never come up here and lie. If y'all want me to talk about the other 2 businesses I do, I throw events in real life, parties, club events, anything for money, I do that. I can also give y'all a breakdown on that. We can talk about that.
It's all connected.
The YouTube, I can talk about it as well, and I can also talk about the other stuff.
It's all connected too. Like the parties and events that they throw, we end up being a part of that.
I'll never lie. This is real.
Like they're coming through.
This is real.
Soon enough, we gonna end up shooting them.
Shooting that.
We gonna get the bread. You know how it gets. And one thing to connect with the event business that Easy and everybody else runs, shout out to IOU. We out here shooting those events and making bread off of it. So it's like, it's all connected. It's all money for everybody involved.
Yeah.
So it's like, just make sure you take advantage of opportunities with your friends. Your friend got an idea, let him run with it. Like,
so we about to go, we about to lock in, and then we about to work out, and
for sure.
Let's run it. Bring y'all with me, y'all see it. I'll probably just throw some music over it. Don't really got to do much talking. We got one location, got to drive to another, but I'm gonna get all of that on the camera for y'all. So let's work.
Yup.
So, as you can see, middle of a neighborhood. About to get to work, got the camera. About to get ready to shoot these proms. I told you I'm bringing that with me. So, let's go. See, we got people pulling up. You see bro in the back. You see bro. Bro got his suit and tie on. Suit and tie on. But now we getting ready to work. Once we start shooting, I'm going to get some more behind the scenes for y'all. So just tap in.
The couples by the steps. Hi.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sienna.
Who wants to go first? Couple. Okay, you can go downstairs if you want.
That's Mario. Yeah. Someone will be in the middle. Yeah. Go. Whichever one you want. I will go. Jeremy first, then you be.
There's a lot going on right now.
I'm gonna be crazy, right? We should split.
First shoot done. I wish I could, well, first part of the shoot done. I wish I could show you how much we just made. Just got mad bread and cash. I'm telling you, there was like 10 other people in here. Like 10 other people. So we got some money off of them. We took their pictures and stuff. So we made a lot between the two of us just now. So about to go to the next location and make some even more money.
Wait for the second load.
The day is over now.
Long one.
We pulled in a lot of cash, a lot of tips, main payments, all that. Told y'all how to run a profitable business. You got to put yourself out there. We were only supposed to shoot one person, but we ended up talking to other people, getting more clients, just putting ourselves out there, our brand. Now we're getting more exposure. Already got more followers.
Business cards handed out, all that.
That's what I'm saying. I'm telling you, running a profitable business is not hard. You just gotta apply yourself, take the risk, and then, you know, feel me?
Yeah, successful day.
Very
It's been a
successful
long
day.
day though.
Tired, about to hit the crib, go to sleep, edit, and then go from there. Signing off, YouTube.